Hi everyone, Lisa here. So on behalf of myself, Heather Guerrero, and Patty Davison, I want to show you our July Sweet Surprise Class to Go kit. So this month we decided to go with the Tags to Go bundle. You will need this stamp set and the dies to complete your projects, along with some other supplies. But let me show you what your kit this month will include. And the reason we decided to create this Sweet Surprise Class to Go is so that you yourself don't have to purchase the whole bundle, the whole suite of products. We will give you a sampling of all the products with a fraction of the cost. So for this month, like I said, you're going to need this bundle, but you're going to get a half a pack of the On The Go Designer Series paper. You're going to need them for your projects. You're going to get 2 sheets of cardstock, all the coordinating cardstock, which is Azure Afternoon, Basic Black, Crushed Curry, Pumpkin Pie, Shy Shamrock, and Strawberry Slush, and we include 2 basic white pieces. So you'll get all that cardstock. You're gonna get a package of Pack Your Bags 3-pack twine. Of course, I've used mine because I'm gonna show you our projects. Our projects this month are awesome. You're gonna love them. And you're gonna get a half a pack of the stickers, which is 1 sheet. But if you, so you're gonna get 1 sheet of stickers. You can see I've used them on my projects and I still have all of these left over. But if you decide to add the bundle to your kit, you will go ahead and get the full pack of the puffy stickers. So the Pack Your Bag twine, and then 3 of the suitcase treat boxes. I forgot to pull those out, but I will show you. My project uses the suitcase treat boxes, and you're going to get all the elements to create your 3 projects and a PDF tutorial. So let me show you our projects. Like I said, so this bundle kind of, it's Tags to Go, but this really has a lot to do with travel. So let me show you Heather's project first. Now this is a 8x10 home decor piece. So you can put this in an 8x10 frame. In her instructions, it shows you where she got her frame and everything. So I created the projects last year. A lot of you know that we took our children all on a family cruise, their spouses and everything. And this was our formal picture. This is a silly picture. We all have these silly glasses on. And then I had bought all of us these cups. We had them customized and say, family cruise, making memories together, and everybody had their names. So this is Heather's project. Next, we have Patty's, and look at this. This is an amazing, travel journal. Are you ready to see the inside? Look at this. Now, all my stuff, I stuck it down so that I could show you so that it doesn't go flying everywhere. But there's 4 bookmarks showing those beautiful colors. And then, so what I did on mine is every 3 pages, so you can put some pictures, comments, journaling, whatever you want. And then here's the next one. And then you're gonna have 3 blank pages. And then here's another. This one we use the tags. Again, I stuck mine down. I didn't glue them. I just kind of tacked them down so nothing would fly away. And then after another 3 pages, you have another envelope, and you can put whatever you want inside these pockets. I call it envelope a pocket. And then you have plenty of pages for journaling. So that is Patty's project. Amazing. And now here is mine. Of course, I did the little suitcase like I told you. So you will get 3 of these treat boxes, so you can use them however. But for mine, we're gonna slip off this belly band. We're gonna open this suitcase, and what do you think is inside? Ta-da! A photo album. Again, I used our pictures from our cruise. Some of them are gonna be the same, but look, it pops out. How funny. It looks like I used almost the same pictures. But there's some different ones, me and my husband. And then even on the back side. So the back side, I didn't put pictures, but you have all the matting for you to put pictures or journaling, whatever you want to do. So this is my project. So what do you got to do to get all of this? We each have our own registration link. So if Patty's sharing this, you use her registration link. If Heather's sharing it, use her link. And if I'm sharing it, use my link. Again, here's our 3 projects. And you get all the supplies. So to get the materials to make this, to get all this stuff that I showed you before, it's going to be $45 and it includes shipping. The option 2 is $38 and you have to pick it up at our home. So again, whoever's sharing this video, you know, you'll have to pick it up at their house. And again, the only other thing is the PDF tutorial. So if you have any questions, let any of us know, and hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.